Hello, I'm Ross, and I'm going to show you how you can document your Svelte projects with HTML and JSDoc comments. So if you've ever used a library where you've been accessing different imports from that library and you get some nice documentation on those imports, I'm going to show you how you can do that today with Svelte components and props and also variables and functions throughout your projects. So a component can be documented with a HTML comment at the top level that contains this @component declaration. And then you use markdown syntax inside of the component to document it. Then, when the user hovers over that component, they're able to see a description of what that component does. So we'll import repeat, and if we use repeat, and we hover over, we're able to see our markdown syntax appear and show us how to use that component. So we'll go back into the component, we'll put some code inside. With Svelte 5, you can document the properties on your props object, and this will give users a hint of what each prop does when they're using the component. So this component has two props, the text to repeat and the number of times to repeat that text. So now when we go in here, you can see we need to add those props, and we're missing the following properties from that component. So we can add them in, and you can see if we press Control space, you can see we have number of times, and you can see when we hover over this prop, we have the number of times to repeat available for us. So we'll repeat 4 times. And then we also need our second prop, which is our text, and we can say text to repeat, and that will also show up as our text to repeat comment in there. You can also document functions using JSDoc. This allows you to add a description to the function, document each of the parameters, and then provide an example along with any other documentation you might like to add. Now when we use our add_to function, we can see the first number is our first parameter. This is a function that adds 2 numbers and returns the sum of 2 numbers. So we say 1, and then we hit comma, and you can see that this comment changed to the second number now. And we can hit 3. And then when we hover over the whole thing, you can see the example as well and all of the parameters available. So you can get some really nice autocomplete with JSDoc, and you don't have to use JSDoc to create types in your project. You can use it alongside TypeScript to document your project instead. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you like this video. Have a great day.